Oh no, I'm just gonna stand in front of a table and hope he doesn't bump into me. Toxic, come on, wake up. Right, let's do this.
This is a tornado-style tag team matchup. Like a tornado, this one's going to be fast and furious.
Yeah, I'm not sure the ring's going to be big enough to hold all the competitors here. And what a great opportunity this is for these guys to build momentum. But no matter what we say outside the ring, it doesn't matter as much as what happens inside that ring.
And he dodges that one. It looked like his whole neck just crumbled there. Maneuvers like that put everybody in danger.
No kidding, that's awful.
You know, when you take direct hits like that, it becomes hard to move. If you can't move, you can't win. A move like that is so brutal. It could mean never performing in a WWE ring ever again.
Okay, you dragged. All right.
Career ender.
He's starting to stagger a bit. And it's so hard to create space for yourself in a tornado tag team match such as this.
But I know one thing for sure. If history is any guide, this night will be epic and awesome.
And he gets out of the way. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
That packed a punch. Nobody home there.
Nobody home? Cole, that looks like the house has been empty for months. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Not today, too fast. And once again, we see a return to the specific maneuver. Hey, whatever works.
Yeah, if it keeps working, keep working. Look at this hang time.
Incredible. There's clearly something about his face that he doesn't like.
Yeah, the same way I feel about yours. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
He's on the defensive here. The tornado tag team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
But here's the thing. You have to perform if you want to bask in that WWE glory.
Kicking it old school right there.
Nothing better than a little old school kicking.
We're looking at complete domination here. He's focusing on the face now. My God, his body's been through hell.
Great reversal.
Good Lord, that wasn't even close.
So that's what it's like being so far off the mark.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Really toxic.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, my. Put it in the books. This one's got to be over
Good.
now.
Stupid idiot. No. Stupid idiot.
Introduced by Chris
Thought you knew
Jericho
better.
back in 2005, the Money in the Bank ladder match has become one of the most anticipated matches on the WWE calendar. We're looking at complete domination here. Quick thinking to avoid that.
Not a lot of spring left in his step right now.
Going for the double play with this move. Extra slow getting back to his base here. He's on his heels. He needs to create some space for himself if he wants to be successful here in this tornado tag team match.
You know, this match can still go either way. It's just too early to call it. And hey, I still can't believe they pay me for this.
And he dodges that one.
Ow. Ooh.
There you go.
Oh, the entire ring just broke. Oh my gosh, what's next? The arena itself? Man, talk about putting a target on someone's back. This guy's just too strong. Oh, wait, that's it. He's out.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
And he brings the action back inside the ring.
Yeah,
That's it. He's done. Watch out.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing.
Dodges to the side of that one.
Narrowly avoids the attack there.
Got out of the way of that one. And he gets out of the way.
Oh, no. Not again.
Please, not again. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe. Oh, wait. Nice reversal.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor.
Not today. Too fast. Kickers, look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh, wow. Knocked down. What a shot.
At this point, you think he'd have that move well scouted. We're looking at complete domination here.
Oh, this spells trouble right here.
Almost as fresh as the daisy in there, only a small amount of off. What a maneuver! He's setting it up.
Look at this. Wow. It doesn't get much better than that right there. Oh, man, is he fired up. Watch it. Whether you like it or not, there's the match